Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you 3 easy methods to remove watermarks or logos from any video using Filmora. Whether it's for personal edits or creative projects, these methods can help you clean up your footage quickly and easily. Let's dive into the first method, cropping. Right-click on the video clip and select Crop and Zoom. This technique works best when the watermark is near the edge of the video. By cropping the frame, you can cut out the part of the video that contains the watermark, giving you a clean result without needing any additional effects. Now on to the second method, concealing. This is perfect for watermarks that appear in fixed positions. You can use the built-in mosaic effect in Filmora to blur out the watermark area. Search for mosaic effect in Effects and just drag the mosaic effect onto the video, adjust the size and position to cover the watermark, and then tweak the style until it blends well with your content. The final method is covering. If you want to replace the watermark with your own logo or image, this is the method for you. Simply import the image you want to use, resize and position it over the watermark to effectively cover it up. This not only hides the original watermark but also gives your video a personal touch. And that's it. 3 simple and effective ways to remove or hide watermarks in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy video editing tips. Press the notification button as well to get notified. Got questions or need more help? Drop a comment below, we're here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.